You can see that I use the site I'm going to show you today to make $300 today or $400 the next day and even more. If you want to start earning money online, make sure to watch all the way to the end because I'll walk you through the steps of how to set this up so you can get started. Hello and welcome to the Money Hustle where earning should never be troubling. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. You may start making things happen by setting up a notification bell so that you are informed anytime we release a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a thumbs up as well. If you have any questions, comments, or other feedback regarding the video, don't be afraid to post them below. The main way affiliate strategy differs from the others is that you don't even need to post your affiliate link any place. You won't need to post any videos, spam your link in YouTube comments, visit several Facebook groups, use Twitter, or do anything similar since the program I'm going to show you today automates everything for you. And I'll walk you through the setup process step by step. However, before I proceed and show you the tool, allow me to first disclose the website that actually paid me in the form of affiliate commissions. This website, Jvzoo.com, is comparable to affiliate websites like ClickBank, Store24, and others. It stands out from the competition though because it offers a variety of things related to making money online, cooking, and other topics rather than just physical and digital products. The fact that this site offers so many different payment options is another fantastic feature that I know many of you will love. PayPal is undoubtedly the most well-known option, but it isn't available everywhere. So there are other options for those of you who may reside in various Asian or African countries. With that said, you can read more about this website, what it is, and so on. But I won't go there because the first thing you should do when you are there is to make a brand new account. And you can do that by clicking on Start for Free in the upper right corner of this page. From there, you'll need to register by providing some basic information, confirm that the email address you provided is indeed yours, choose a payment method, and then you're ready to go. This is what you'll see when you log into your brand new account. On your dashboard, you can see information about your earnings, including the number of visitors, sales, the gross income, and your earnings. Now you have to click on affiliates right here, and then you have to click on find products in order to browse through various products that you may advertise as an affiliate and obtain the links. This will now take you directly to this page where you will see thousands upon thousands of different offers that you can market as an affiliate. One thing that I really appreciate about Jvzoo is that it provides you with quite a bit of useful information so you can determine which product is best for you to market as an affiliate in order to actually get paid. For those of you unfamiliar with affiliate marketing, a conversion rate refers to the percentage of people who purchase the product after visiting the sales page. For instance, a conversion rate of 5% indicates that 5 out of every 100 people visited the sales page and purchased the product. You can see the launch date of the products, how many of them were sold, and conv here, which stands for the conversion rate. The second item you may see is EPC or earnings per click, which represents the typical sum of money made each time a person clicked on one of the affiliate links pointing to the relevant product. One of the most important items on this list is the refund rate. You want that to be less than 10% because obviously promoting a product that people aren't satisfied with isn't good for you and won't make you a lot of money. Another thing that is very nice to know is the average price, so you don't want to promote a product that's too cheap and won't make you a lot of money. The number of products sold is quite important because you can tell it's a good product without even looking at the other stats. And more importantly, people will be more willing to buy a product that has sold many copies. Other important factors to consider include the conversion rate, refund rate, and average price. Additionally, you want the product price to be somewhere in the range of $40 or $50, the conversion rate to be generally higher than 10%, and the refund rate, as I mentioned, to be lower than 5%. The product's launch date is another factor that is crucial, so avoid promoting products that are too old and look for newer ones instead. Anyway, if you click on the category link here, you'll be able to see all the different product categories that Jvzoo offers. As I've already mentioned, there are a lot more about them than other sites that are similar, which is something I really love about it. There are literally too many of them here for me to list them all, so choose the category that most interests you. I'll pick the business and finance category for the purposes of this particular video. Now that you've chosen your category, you should choose one product, and like I said, you should make sure it has decent metrics before pursuing it and snagging that affiliate link. When you locate a product you think is nice, you should open it so you can see the commission, which in this case is 50%, and that is really fantastic. Here is one product that I found that absolutely meets my criterion. Additionally, you can view the pricing right here, and if you'd like, you can visit the product sales page by clicking directly here. In any case, after selecting your product, you must request approval in order to receive the affiliate link. When requesting approval, you can include information such as, I have experience in affiliate marketing. I understand how to promote products in this specific niche. I will be able to drive traffic to your page, and so forth. After typing this information in, you must click the I'm not a robot button. Check the box and then click Request Approval. Currently, you have a variety of options at your disposal for product promotion, with social media being among the most effective and widely used. Since my niche is making money online, I specifically look for make money online groups on Facebook. As far as social media goes, guys, Facebook groups are generally not a bad way to go because they have thousands of members at the very least and hundreds of thousands at the most, so you will definitely be able to get some clicks to your link that way. And with that, this concludes the video for today. If you like it and would want to see more, hit the thumbs up button below. If you also want to be notified when I upload new videos, click the red subscribe button and enable the notifications. Thanks for watching The Money Hustle. I appreciate your time as always, and I'll see you all soon.